Partnering with Monash Innovation Labs brings the benefits of being surrounded by innovative startups, so like-minded founders, researchers, bright student minds, and of course access to advanced equipment and amazing facilities.
It's always really nice to feel a sense of community, which is one of the biggest things we've gained out of being at Monash Innovation Labs. We're in one of the nicest facilities that myself as an entrepreneur has ever been in. The ability to have chemistry labs, engineering capability where we could manufacture and prototype certain types of creations in the company, all in one place, right next to office spaces.
We're also located adjacent to the Monash University generator, which helps us grow in our venture capital discussions, and also adjacent to CSIRO and ANSTO. And together, that ecosystem has really helped us to assemble a team that can evolve the technology in a really rapid and commercially and environmentally friendly way.
It's got great facilities, ability to really grow, and it's got a great team and support that really can help you set up and then grow from there.
Being at the Monash Innovation Lab gives us access to some of the world's best academics and some of the world's best engineering students, and this has been really critical to our success.
For anyone who's considering partnering with Monash Innovation Labs, I'd encourage them to come and see the space, talk to the other companies in the space, and learn about the broader value proposition beyond just the space, because it's great space, but it's also about being part of a community. It's about being able to tap into everything that the rest of the university has to offer, and it's about really accelerating the development of your startup.